get ready for peace-loving vans. Just like that, we are on I-70 westbound and headed to Colorado. Peace-loving vans, here we come.
For the past few weeks, we've pretty much been everywhere and nowhere all at once and done everything and nothing all at once. We've been exploring some really cool cabins. We were hanging out on the East Coast.
We've been staying in fancy cabins. We've been staying in other people's homes. Just living the life of luxury of not having to deal with anything at all.
We have like an 18-hour drive, so let's get to it. We're getting back into this whole vlogging thing, so we definitely just ate dinner without filming any of that. We went to this knock place, knock who's there, and we got some pitas, which were so delicious. 10 out of 10 in my book. We'll definitely be going back when we're hungry on the road. Didn't see a sign, but Missouri.
Working on the roads, and they must be working on the sign too.
We've made it to camp for the night, aka a little rest stop right across the border in Missouri. We're gonna pack it up and we'll see you on the road tomorrow.
You ready to get up and go drive somewhere?
I'm so tired. I slept okay actually, but I feel like weird right now, like out of my norm.
Well,
my face is really greasy.
First night back in the van.
You have something on your leg.
From Goodwill.
Our first little stop for today's part of the drive is at Mickey D's to get breakfast. It was super busy in there, but here. Oh wait, you didn't get hash browns.
I didn't get hash browns.
Justin got a bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle, and I got 2 hash browns. Here you go.
Cheers. Cheers.
We have 777 miles to go until we're at Hummingbird Ranch. Let's get to it.
Just got to Kansas City. Past Arrowhead Stadium and past where the Kansas City Royals play. And now we're driving through Kansas City, about to get into Kansas itself.
Kansas City's not in Kansas?
Half of it is.
It's been so weird being back in the van. As you've seen in our videos, we've been kind of bouncing around from cabins and houses and like all kinds of things, and we haven't been in the van very much. And so on this road trip, my lower back is like absolutely killing me, and Justin's upper back is starting to hurt. It's just funny us being back in the van because we're both like creaking and aching on this long road trip.
My shoulder's been hurting before I got in the van. Kansas!
Kansas! Woo! New state!
We're getting ready to fully close this tomorrow. So I think we're lucky that we don't got to deal with all the road construction that's about to happen. They're like redoing the whole road, the whole highway here.
We got to our campground here in Kansas, the Old Mill Campground. We're right by the water. It's a really pretty spot. There was no one at the front desk, so we just kind of came back to this spot. But we're here. This is where we're staying for the night. So let's take a little look around.
booked our campground in Pueblo for the next few nights before Peace Loving Vans, just right up the road from Hummingbird Ranch. So we decided to stop off early here in Kansas and just outside of Topeka to find this nice little camp spot, which up by a nice little creek. And Riley's taken it upon herself to spend today making content for her Instagram all about self-care.
Can you see me?
I've been banished to the outside of the van for this.
Wait, it's really nice having a face mask on outside. Like this is peaceful zen right here.
Ready to go to Colorado?
Mm-hmm.
Driving through the middle of nowhere, Kansas. We're finally in Colorado.
That sign really just came out of nowhere. Like I just saw Colorado. It's crazy.
Now we gotta drive through the middle of nowhere, Colorado.
Yeah.
Because it's all still just flatland for the next couple hours still.
Yeah, that's the funny thing about Colorado is that you think right when you pass into the state there's going to be like a bunch of mountains and stuff, and you're actually in plains until you're past Denver. So, fun fact if you've never been to Colorado. Now we're starting to see some mountains. We made a little pit stop at Walmart to grab our groceries for the next few days, and we're gonna make our way to camp and go check out our campsite. Now for the fun part, trying to get everything to fit in the fridge. What happened?
Altitude change.
What's on the to-do list for tomorrow?
Hang out and get ready for Peace Loving Vans.
Let me try.
I'm scared. Makes it pretty dizzy.
Whoa! How'd you go so slow? Oh my god.
Cartwheel out.
I can't get off. What do I do? Whoa! How do you do that so fast?
Look, no hands.
Whoa, no way, go no hands.
Whoa!
No way you just did the whole thing without your hands.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
That was crazy.
Parkour.
So we just got a notification on our phones that apparently there's a dust storm that's about to be rolling through. So we gotta go to high ground to scope it out.
Whoa, what's that hole?
So that's coming towards us?
That's a dust storm.
I'm scared. So we need to get everything put away.
Everything is put away.
It's been like super windy all day today, so I'm not even that surprised that a dust storm's about to roll through. But I'm curious how dusty it's really gonna get. Because it's pretty nice right, well, these clouds, but pretty nice over here right now. So it turns out that we missed the dust storm. We saw it kind of fly right past us. So we did not get all dusty, but it did indeed happen. I'm on a rooftop deck. Oh my gosh, this is so cute!